Today we're going to talk about the Flathead series. This is a highly rated cigar. Matter of fact, this size called the Carb was rated the third best cigar 3 years ago, and was rated a 95. This is something very special for CAO. This blend, we have 5 sizes, of course, going down to a Lancero all the way up to a 7x70. The secret behind the blends I can share with you is the 7x70 and the 6x60, we're using a Seiko, more flavor, less body. But the 5x54, the spark plug, and the piston, we're using Ligero, more body. So it's up to you to decide which one you want, but the flavors come through every cigar, but the body is kind of peaking up on the 54, the spark plug, and the piston. So again, we're very proud of this cigar. I think if you try it, smoke it one time, you're going to find a cigar that you're going to enjoy for a long time.